Hi, my name is Aaron McKinley, and this is my final year project for software electronic engineering in ATU. So my project is Well Tracking Framework, which is a web application that is used for tracking cryptocurrencies and stocks as well as savings, so a user can know their net worth. Um, so this project is using some DevOps principles for CI/CD, so continuous integration and continuous development. So we can see our Dockerized web stack here. We have React and Node as our front and back end, which are being served by Nginx with CertBot for TLS cert updates. Postgres is getting data from the CoinGecko and FinHub APIs, so the prices are always up to date. We have on a git commit, Jenkins will build and push the images to our registry, which is then deployed using an Ansible playbook in a deployment container. Cypress tests are then ran, which will look at the latest live website, and then on any failures will open issues in GitHub. So this is our dashboard here. We see the total portfolio and profit and loss. We can go into any of these and see how much we have bought and sold. So if we want to look at the S&P 500, we have bought 0.5 there for the total value, and it gives us the price per unit. The rest are the same. If we want to look at Apple, we've bought one Apple at €233, which is currently at €199. So we've lost 30 quid. So if we want to add more, we can go Apple again. Let's see if the price is 199. So let's say we want to buy one to get our dollar cost average down, and this total spend is editable. So if the price is different to what you're buying it, what the API say, because different platforms might have different costs on the price, and so that you can edit that to say it's a little more expensive, so 200. So now we can see Apple. We've got 200 worth there, so we have two Apple stocks. So that's back to dashboard there. Okay. So we also have our savings down here, which updates depending on how often the interest is paid out. Like Revolut would be a daily one. Right, so then here we are in Jenkins. So Jenkins, this is the build pipeline that builds and pushes to registry, the deployment pipeline, which creates the container to run the Ansible playbook, and then there's our test pipeline. So here we can see it's yellow, which means it's unstable, and that is expected as some of the tests are not passing. So let's go look at the output here. So here are our tests starting. It's all fine, and here the savings one, which it was in the wrong folder and it was moved to the right one, so it wasn't being picked up before, so they are not quite ready to go, so that is expected to fail. So we go down here, we have 20 out of 23 passing and 1 out of 9 spec files failing. So we can see here, this is our GitHub issues. So we have the linting issues that we were just in. We can click on this and see the linting issues that need addressed, and we have the latest test run that failed. So it's the same output as before. Thanks for listening.